Coordinates found. Initiating ancient protocols. Data found.
Survive independently.
Analyzing trace element composition. Unidentified metal.
Structural integrity low. Recent break.
Look at this path. Something large moved through here. This must be it. Analyzing damage. No. Heavy impact. Distress signal detected. There. Smoke. I found it. The wreckage. Analyzing the components. Corrosion detected. I will attempt to bypass the damaged battery. Testing. Do you copy? This is Unit 7. Static.
Rhythmic tones.
Finding the source. Coordinates found. Location is deeper in the forest. Heading there now. The coordinates from the helicopter match the markings. I've found it.
Analyzing system. Cable connected. Checking battery. Ignition on. Let's try it. It's alive.
Analyzing system failure.
Error.
Repairing battery terminal.
Error.
Activating power.
Error.
Vehicle online.
Come on, you old relic. Finally. Thank goodness. This is Call. This is Pari design. My design. Who made this? Analyzing system. Status code 50. Initiating ancient protocols. Data found. Project Kronos.
Analyzing environment. Scanning abandoned technology.
Detecting inactive life signs. An advanced humanoid robot was created to survive independently in remote environments.